I was wrong when I hurt you. Did you have to hurt me too? Did you think regrets will make it better? I don't care about the past. I just want our love to last. They're just a need to bring us back together. I must forgive you.